Hey everyone, want to get anonymous question on Instagram using Sendit? I'll show you how to do it in just a few steps. First of all, download the Sendit from the Play Store or App Store in your iPhone. In Android, you can use Play Store. After you have downloaded it, simply open. After you have opened, then it will ask which platform you want to connect. Choose Instagram. You will see fun question template you can post. Customize your question. As you can see here, see all option. You can customize your question like this, and you can simply share on Instagram. After you have send it to the Instagram. This will open Instagram with sending question as a sticker. After you have click on share on Instagram, this will open on Instagram. Customize your story, add any extras and share it. Check responses. When somebody replies anonymously, you will get a notification in the Sendit app. Tap it to view and answer them. And that's how you use Sendit with Instagram. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and comment if you have any question. And I'll see you in the next one.